Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to meet you here at the Auto Shanghai 2019. China has been the largest individual market for Porsche. We founded the first official Porsche Club China, and now the club boasts more than 6,500 members. To spread the passion, the Porsche Sports Cup will have its debut in China this October.
Progressive, athletic, emotional. Ladies and gentlemen, we brought our Chinese customers' favorite Porsche model to Shanghai for the first time as a coupé. It comes with a flatter windscreen, a faster falling roofline, and a wider rear end than the Cayenne. Another highlight is the panorama roof. More than 2 square meters of glass cover the entire roof area. The adaptive rear spoiler provides high stability even when driving at top speed. And if that is not enough, we have developed some impressive extras. Our lightweight sports packages include, for example, a carbon roof, 22-inch GT design wheels, a sports exhaust system, and exclusive interior equipment such as seats with classic checked pattern. In terms of engines, we hit the road with the 340 horsepower V6 and our top model, the V8 with 550 horsepower. Thank you very much and have a good day.